Okay, this is how to take your old grill on a OBS Ford back to its original black color. So this is what it looks like. You can tell it used to be black. Now it's got this look to it. So anyway, I've got the hood popped. I'm gonna go ahead and take the grill off, and then we'll get the chrome all taped up. I think the chrome's fine, so I'm gonna leave the chrome alone, and I'll tape over that so the paint's not getting on it, and we'll paint it black. So give me a minute here. Okay, so we've got a screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here, and down in here we've got one. So let's take those out. Okay, I got that one out now. And dropped it. Okay, now it should just come right out. Just like that. Alright, let me get it taped up. I'm not going to show that, so it's pretty self-explanatory. I'll be right back. Okay, so here it is all taped up. Took me quite a while, probably like 40 minutes to get this all taped up, trying to, make sure there's not any chrome showing. So I really didn't do much. I didn't like sand it or anything. I know some of you guys might want to. I didn't think. It's kind of rough already. I think it's gonna be fine. So I guess if it got screwed up, I can just paint it again. So I'm not gonna go through that. Anyway, let's start sanding it, or spraying it. So I'm using this Fusion all-in-one black, flat black. I'm not using gloss black because I want the chrome to be able to stand out with the shine rather than the shiny paint. So I'm gonna set that there. All right, here we go. Going over anytime I see a spot that kind of looks like it could use a little more paint, I just go ahead and hit it. Kind of running out of daylight here, but might have to pick it up tomorrow. Anyway, you guys are getting the point. Let me finish this up and I'll pick the camera back up. Alright, we got her all finished up. I ended up putting, this is the next day. I ended up letting it dry once and put a second coat on. There were a few spots that were standing out to me that needed a refresher, so I went ahead and hit them a second time. Came out pretty good. Again, you guys can use whatever color you want. I'm using metallic black because I want it to just have kind of a dull look with the shiny chrome. But you can color match it. You can do the gloss black if you want. It's up to you guys. So this is the way I wanted to do it. If I want to change it, it's pretty easy to change. I just gotta tape it up again and spray it a different color. But let me peel the tape off and put it back on the front of the pickup and see how it looks. And here it is. Got it all put in. Again, it was just 4 screws up top. Probably the most simple grill I've ever messed with. And then of course your one down there, I might go ahead and paint that black as well. But I think it turned out pretty good. I mean, the paint cost me like $6 and the tape cost me maybe $4. So for $10, you know, had a drastic turnaround. So there it is. I didn't shine up the chrome. The chrome is kind of dingy. I'm gonna see if I can clean that up, make it stand out even more than what it does. Then obviously I've got a few things to fix over here too. I'll change out this chrome, change out all these headlights, buy a new piece for this. So this one's kind of crinkled. Just gonna go ahead and replace that kind of stuff, make it all pop. Then I do want to see if I can customize this, make it color matched with the pickup, like a light brown or dark brown. We'll see. So anyway, there it is. Pretty simple to do. So a lot more to come on this pickup. So tune in next time. We'll see what we're doing next. We'll see ya.